Now listen, we're in a day and time where you do not have to go broke over having your own home studio. Everything you see behind me, plus the microphone, everything I got in this room was on Facebook Marketplace. But that's not the problem. The problem is the motivation. The problem is the mental of creating your own music. We are gifted from God, from the Holy One, to have the creativity and the talent to create music. So another thing that happens is, like me, you have a family in the other room, you have work, and that right there takes up a lot of your time. That's a pretty good excuse, I know. But here is where that excuse is no longer a good one. When you come home or you have a little bit of a break, what is the thing that you normally do first? It's right here. You're on your phone. Whether you're on TikTok, Instagram, you guarantee will spend at least 30 minutes or up to an hour doing this right here. So it's a new year, a new you. Why don't you focus more on you? Instead of coming home and getting on the couch and getting on your phone, strolling for nothing, why not come into your space, your home studio, and focus on you? I'm encouraging you to do the same thing. Why not? We only got one life to live. This is your boy Ron. I'm out.